Hello, you guys. I'm on my way to meet up with a friend. We're going to like this exhibit thing. It should be fun. My hair is kind of oily, so I really tried my best to style it, but I gotta like wash it. So it's the best it is. There's my outfit. It was raining, like pouring yesterday. We're in this atmospheric river. It was really pouring yesterday. So I viewed an apartment. Out of all of them, it was my favorite. So we're gonna see if things can pan out with that. There are a few kind of conditions that I have to look through and would have to be in place first. But anyway, I'm going out with a friend. I'm gonna probably just do some brands. I gotta film later and then have dinner. And then it's a fun weekend ahead. I'm going to a Halloween event. I've got a couple of friends I'm meeting up with, clients, and then I'm working. So we'll show you everything. And it was kind of my first day of eating low carb too. So I'm adjusting to that, but I'm very excited to embark on that. So we'll check in later and maybe show part of the exhibit.
So many amazing things to watch.
Hello, you guys. Welcome to a week's worth in the vlog. Today was a busy day. I looked at an apartment for next year. It has potential, but we're gonna keep looking at a few other ones. I've been doing job applications to apply for some jobs, switching that. I went on a nice walk with a friend. It was a really nice day, like dress weather, beautiful day. And then I had some sushi with my friend and we just caught up, so that was really good. Tomorrow we're doing our Thanksgiving dinner, and then I'll show you that. I'm going on another hike with a friend. I have a couple of clients and videos to do, but today is the job applications that I'm planning on doing. And yeah, so we'll check in later this week and show everything we do.